Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A12 versus the Realme C17. And guys, the Realme C17 give you a Snapdragon 460 chipset with a 6GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A12 give you a MediaTek Helio P35 chipset with a 4GB of RAM. On the back, we get a quad cameras on both these two devices. We have a 48 megapixel main camera on the A12 as compared to a 16 megapixel I believe on the Realme C17. And guys, I'm really excited to see that how much difference between a MediaTek Helio P35 as compared to a Snapdragon 460. And guys, now let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time and let's see which one is going to be the fastest one. Here we go. And the logo, it is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12, and also both phones is running on Android 10. We have a One UI 2.5 on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to a Realme UI 1.0 on the Realme C17. And you can see that, and the Realme C17, it is a little bit more faster when it comes to booting up as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A12, about 1 or 2 second difference there. And guys, you can see that, and both phones give you a very different display. We have a 720p TFT display on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to a 720p IPS LCD display on the Realme C17, and also we have a 60Hz refresh rate display on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to a 90Hz on the Realme C17, which makes everything more smoother as compared to a normal 60Hz refresh rate display. And also we have a punch hole on the left hand side on the Realme C17 as compared to a water drop notch, which looks outdated as compared to the punch hole. And the first application we have is the phone dialer. Little bit warm up. Here we go. And that is a little bit more faster on the Realme C17, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A12. So now let's see YouTube on both phones. Here we go. And that is about the same on both phones, no difference there. Let's see the scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones. Now let's see Amazon shopping on both phones. Here we go. And that is a little bit more faster on the Realme C17 as you can see, followed by the A12. Let's see the scrolling, and feels a little bit more smoother on the Realme C17 because we have a 90Hz refresh rate display. And again, you cannot see the difference between 60Hz and a 90Hz in this video because this is a 30fps video. And now let's see the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much the difference between a Snapdragon 460 as compared to a MediaTek Helio P35. And you can see Samsung, and you can see Realme C17, it is a little bit more faster there as compared to the A12 Subway Surfer. And that is looks more faster on the Realme C17. Yes, faster there I believe. Let's see at the end. Yes, that is faster on the Realme C17 as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A12. And now let's see the pinout, and that is again a little bit more faster on the Realme C17 because we have a Snapdragon 460 chipset. Now let's see the Temple Run 2. And you can see that, and the Realme C17 faster there. Yes, it is a little bit more faster as compared to the Samsung Galaxy A12. In the start, A12 it is faster there. So now let's open up the Twitter. More faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12 if I'm not wrong. Spotify, that is faster on the Realme C17, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A12. Instagram, that is exactly the same on both phones. Let's see Snapchat, that is again exactly the same on both phones. And last, I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go. And that is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to the Realme C17. And guys, now let's see the internet browsing speed. I'm using for Samsung internet browser on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to a Google Chrome on the Realme C17. Wikipedia.org. and that is a little bit more faster on the Samsung Galaxy A12, followed by the Realme C17. Let's see the scrolling, and feels a little bit more smoother on the Realme C17. And next on the list is the gsmarina.com, and launching at the same time, and you can see that, and both phones is perform about the same, and you can see it looks like the Realme C17, it is a little bit more faster. Again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So now let's see the scrolling, and feels a little bit more smoother on the Realme C17. And guys, now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and we have a 4GB of RAM on the Samsung Galaxy A12 as compared to a 6GB on the Realme C17. Let's see who is perform better in the RAM management. Phone dialer, that got refresh on the Samsung Galaxy A12. YouTube, and that is not refresh. Amazon shopping, and that is again no refresh, and it is an in-app refresh. Let's see Candy Crush Saga, and that is not refresh on both phones. Subway Surfer, and that got refresh on the Realme C17 despite having a 6GB of RAM. Let's see the Pinout, and that got refresh on the A12. Let's see Temper Run 2, refresh on the Realme C17. And now let's check out the Twitter, and that is not refresh on both phones. Spotify, refresh on the Realme C17. Instagram, that is seems like refresh. Let's see Snapchat, that is not refresh. And last we are back to the internet browser, and that is also not refresh on both phones, and you can see. And guys, overall I have to say that, and the app's opening speed is little bit more faster on the Realme C17 in system based application as well as in game app loading time. And the RAM management is really bad on both these two devices. Overall I have to say that both phones is perform about the same in the RAM management area. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A12 versus the Realme C17. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.